Hello, welcome to another AQA exam question. This is from the one of the 2020 calculator papers, and it's worth 3 marks. And it says a record was kept of the number of days that 25 students were absent in one term. And we've got a chart here to represent the results. We've got to work out the mean number of days absent. So remember, if you've got a list for the mean, you would do the total, so all the days added together, and you would divide it by how many numbers you have. And we know we've got 25 students here, so at the end we have got to divide by 25. So we know we've got to divide by 25. One common error people make on these questions is they just divide by the number of bars. But remember, there's more than one student represented in each bar. So if you pause this video and have a go. Okay, now the difficulty here is we don't have all 25 students written out on a list. So you could sit there doing that and going 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So there's 5 students who've had 1 day off. Then you could do the same for 2, but that's going to take you a while. So what we'd do instead is work out the total for each bar. So we've got 5 students who had 1 day off. So if we do 5 times 1, we'll get 5. So that bar is worth 5, the first bar. Then we've got 6 students who had 2 days off. So that will give us 12. Then we've got 8 students who had 3 days off. 8 times 3 is then 24. We've then got 2 students who had 4 days off. So that will give us 8. And then 4 students who had 5 days off. That'll give us 20. So if we then add all of those numbers up, 12, add 5, add 24, add 8, add 20, that should give us 69. So in total, all 25 students had 69 days off in total. So if we then divide that by 25, and that will give us 2.76 days off. If you did write 2.8, that would have been accepted as well. And here is another fully worked solution to this question.